Okay, so now let's understand about like introduction to AWS CDK. CDK is a cloud development kit, which we mostly use in AWS. So to define like CDK, it is used to like define cloud infrastructure using familiar like programming languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, and .NET. It is like built by using the constructs like high-level components to model like AWS resources. And also CDK code is synthesized into the cloud formation templates like JSON or YAML, and also used to deploy infrastructure plus application code together, and which it is also ideal for Lambda functions. And CDK versus the main difference between the CDK and versus is like the local testing, like the CDK versus SAM, where SAM is serverless local, which has like YAML and JSON templates, which is rapid for Lambda deployments, whereas CDK is a full AWS coverage, uses like the programming language and still backed by the cloud formation. Whereas CDK plus SAM, like we can use SAM CLI to locally test CDK applications like CDK synth, like generate a cloud formation template, SAM local invoke hyphen T template.json, which is like test Lambda locally and local and CI/CD features like CDK Bootstrap and S3 bucket plus IAM for deployments. Supports like the traffic shifting like pre and post deployments. Hooks when paired with the cloud deploy. Works seamlessly in the pipeline for repeatable infrastructure provisioning. Yeah. So let's take a look at the let's take a look at the construct levels, which is L1, L2, L3. And L1 is a lower level, L2 is a higher level, and L3 is like a combined, like multiple resources for like common architectures, like Lambda REST API, which is API gateway plus Lambda application load balancer target, which is like ECS plus ALU. Like the workflow is like CDK int app, CDK synth, CDK bootstrap, and CDK deploy, which will deploy the resources. This is all the workflow of CDK construction